So this is in the Radisson blue. They've mentioned that they have a 1-bedroom, but there's no kitchen. So here's the living room. Here's the living room area. They have the TV, and this is where they make the coffee and tea.
Yes.
Yeah, but no kitchen. This is the bedroom, so it's separate from the living room area, and they have a washroom as well. So this is the bedroom. It's really big and spacious, so it's nice. It's just a little bit hard to live in if you want to live here for about a month. So if you do want to live here for a couple of days, then that's perfectly fine. Here's the washroom. So the washroom is nice and white, clean. There's a walk-in shower with a glass panel. There's a bidet that's always here in Saudi Arabia, and this sink. Again, no kitchen. There is a view of Al Salam Mall. So Al Salam Mall, and Al Andalus Mall is on the other side. But it is pretty nice. I like it. And the green color, really nice, but no kitchen. No kitchen to cook.
No,